Hello guys and welcome. My name is Baljeetkaur and you are watching English Class YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the vocabulary related to jobs and occupations. Let's get started. Doctor. He is a doctor. Dentist. Dentist. Nurse. Nurse. Scientist. Scientist. Engineer. Engineer. Cook or chef. Police officer. Police officer. Painter. Painter. Tailor. Tailor. Farmer. Farmer. Teacher. Teacher. Lawyer. Lawyer. An astronaut. Astronaut. A magician. Magician. A newspaper vendor. Newspaper vendor. A barber. A barber. Cobbler. Cobbler. Watchman. Watchman. Pilot. Pilot. Driver. Driver. Postman. Postman. Musician. Musician. Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Chemist. Chemist. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching it. Please do like it if you really like it, and if you have any kind of queries you can just comment me in the comment box below, and if you are new to this channel kindly subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.